What's up, good people? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your email account from Facebook. Let's dive right into it. The first thing we do is click on your profile picture there. Now locate settings and privacy. Now here you will see Meta Account Center. Before we continue, let me just tell you why most people might want to remove your email, maybe for privacy reasons. Okay, now click on Meta Account Center there, then click on personal details just there. Okay, see, this is my email here, but I want to remove it from Facebook. What do I do? Just click on that email. Okay, then click on this arrow button here, then click on delete email address. Then you see you'll no longer be able to use this email. Just delete it. Okay, you will be asked to enter your password here. Let me enter my password. Okay, then continue. Then a notification code will be sent to your email to confirm that you want to delete the email. After that, you'll be able to remove that email permanently from Facebook. Thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video.